Hello friends, we are back again with our options trading episode 2 video. In this video, we will explain that what is a strike price in options trading and also discuss about its type and its working in full detailed analysis. We will try to make you understand its full working with help of example. So let's begin the video guys. First of all, let us know what is a strike price. The strike price is the price at which an option holder can buy call option or sell put option, the underlying asset. The strike price is the predetermined price at which a call or put option contract can be traded on or before the pre-decided expiry date. The strike price in a call option refers to the cost at which the security is purchased. For example, the image shown on screen is the strike prices of Nifty 50 index, which shows the put and call price of every strike price with difference of 50 points. Left side shows call strikes and right side shows put strikes prices. Suppose now Nifty is trading at 24,300 and Nifty 50 chart starts moving upward, then call strikes will start increasing and put strikes will start decreasing. And if Nifty 50 starts falling, then put strikes will start increasing and call will start decaying fast. There are three types of strike prices contracts. In the money. An in the money option is an option that has intrinsic value and offers a profit opportunity. This is because the current market price of the underlying asset has surpassed the agreed upon strike price. An ITM call option gives the option holder the right to buy the security at a price lower than the current market price. For example, if the strike price is 11,800 and the spot price is 12,000, the intrinsic value is 200, which is an ITM call option. An ITM put option gives the option holder the right to sell the security at a price higher than the current market price. ITM options are more expensive than out of the money options because of the intrinsic value. ITM options have a smaller percentage gain than OTM options with the same price move in the underlying asset. When option expire, ITM holders can exercise their rights to buy or sell the underlying assets at the strike price. If not exercised, the broker may automatically assign the options at the money. When option expires, ITM holders can exercise their rights to buy or sell the underlying asset at the strike price. If not exercised, the broker may automatically assign the options. ATM options have both intrinsic and extrinsic values but may have minimal intrinsic value. They are suitable for traders who expect moderate price movement in the underlying asset. There are three important things that every trader should know about the ATM options. The ATM strike price is the same for both the call and put option for a given point in time. Second, the price of ATM options is influenced by factors such as the time of expiration, volatility, and the relationship between intrinsic and extrinsic values. Third, options can also be out of the money, meaning they have no intrinsic value. Out of money. Out of money is an expression used to describe an option contract that only contains extrinsic value. These options will have a delta of less than 0.50. An OTM call option will have a strike price that is higher than the market price of the underlying assets. OTM options have no intrinsic value and only have extrinsic or time value. For example, if a stock is trading at 22.50 per share and the strike price is 25, the call option would be OTM. OTM options are often affordable and are among the least expensive options to acquire. However, to generate a profit with OTM options, the underlying stock must experience a significant price movement. We hope that you should understood every steps of strike prices working at. Will try to summarize full video with help of example. The picture shown on screen shows all types of strike prices. Let's suppose a stock price is 4,000, which is at the money strike, and the call above ATMs are ITM options and below ATM are OTM options. This same function will act opposite in put strike options. At last, if you liked our video, share with your friends and new viewers, show your support. Subscribe our channel for being connected with our every knowledgeable video. We will back again on Saturday with options trading episode 3 video, in which we will teach that how to select a strike price and which type of strike price is advised to choose at different conditions. We will explain every condition in our episode 3 video coming soon. So be tuned with our every video to get full knowledge of options trading. Thank you.